Hey guys, I'm Sean Cheek of webpianoteacher.com. How you doing? Got our second Peter Gabriel song up for this hired request summer list 2023. If you'd like to hire me to do lessons on, if you have sheet music, you can send me. I can do lessons off of that. And I can also do lessons by ear. So send me a request to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. EASY piano lessons plural at Yahoo. Send me a YouTube link or send me the sheets that you want me to do lessons on. And we'll talk. So this is Peter Gabriel. I haven't done much of Peter Gabriel. But so it's kind of neat to get to do two of them here. So this one is Secret World. I just finished up Family Snapshot Live. This is Secret World Live. A little later in 1993. The other one was 1987. Live versions, so cool. So this one's long. So I got two full sheets of on this one. And so let's listen to a little bit of it, okay? But listen to it on YouTube. Peter Gabriel, Secret World Live 1993. And we have lots of drums going on. We have synthesizers and guitars and everything. So I'm going to try to emulate that. So we have this going in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have this we have drums come in. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Synthesizer. 1, 2, 3. Singing. 7. Now, I just played the whole page for you. I don't usually do that on the YouTube free part 1, but this thing is so long. I thought I'd give you the whole first 3 lines. And you're wondering, what are the lessons like on the website? Just like this, except I do the whole thing and you get the rest of it. Get all the good stuff. So there you go. I do teach using letters on a whiteboard by ear, and millions have learned this way over the past 16 years on YouTube when I started. Millions of people all across the world. And on YouTube a lot, because I have, the free part 1s are on YouTube, so a lot of people look at those. And then on the website as well. So, try it out if you think it might work for you, webpianoteacher.com. Let's get to it. Okay? So we have all this, live concert theatrics going on, which we all love, the light show and the sound and the fog machine. So we're trying to create that here. So maybe a low D octave here, and then come up here to the D, A, D, and just kind of roll that guy. And we're just filling in the time, A, D, while the light show's going. So 1, and then C, and then B. And then the drums come in. And so right here, so how long are the counts? I don't know if they're even counting. They're just playing. So it's 1, 2, 3. So right here, the drums come in. And there is a piano keyboard sound doing this. I know it's fast, but that's what he does. G, D, G, D. Take it down. You can do 2 to 5 or 1 to 5. Then you do G, D, G again, and then F sharp. I cross over with 2 for that. So 1, 2, 3, tick-a-da-da, tick-a-da-da. You do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each measure is 4 counts, okay? Whenever I have that just squiggly line, that just means you're continuing with that same chord, all right? So this works a lot of times better than sheet music. But sheet music, you got to write all the counts, you got to write the ties, and people get confused with all that. But if you're a musical person, you can just feel those counts and see that measure, and you just, instead of focusing in on circles on lines, you're able to just feel it. So this works a lot better for some people. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just vamping on the DAD. It's a D chord, but there's no F sharp. It's just open. I guess there's an F sharp there. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a long part 1, isn't it? All right, so the synthesizer comes in. Now the synthesizer just has one note. But I'm going to use an octave because a synthesizer has a lot more power sometimes than an acoustic piano sound. So when I do this, I'm going to play an octave. C, B, G, and then C, B, G, A. Now you're counting to 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I do hear a piano sound go dig-a-dum. And there may be piano playing in here, and I think there is, but you gotta have this synthesizer part. You gotta have it, right? If you're in a band and you got a synthesizer guy playing, let him do it, and you can play this. But if there's no synthesizer guy, you gotta be the synthesizer guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can play this because there's nothing going on. So F sharp, E to A, D, and go really quick. Da-da-dum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Synthesizer A, B, F sharp, G, F sharp, A. Now the synthesizer gets out of time here and plays the F sharp early, but that's okay. We all make mistakes during live things. 1, 2, 3, A, and then the singing starts. 1, and then I put A, D, F sharp in there because I don't really hear anything going on besides the singing and the background stuff. So we need a chord to play. So I'm just going to be on A, D, F sharp. So 1, 2, 3, sneak in there, okay? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 counts, 4 counts. Then we go to B minor 7, which is like having a D chord on top of a B bass. Well, it's not like that. That's what it is. B, D, F sharp, A. So it's B minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the only accent is really count 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Count 4 is this. G, D. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, D. This is a long part 1. Usually done already. Giving you guys more. A, D, A, left hand on a G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then A, D, E, left hand on an A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I like a low D there because, you know, the live concert feel. F sharp, A, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You already learned that. Dig it down, dig it down. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. A B minor 7, but this time we fill it out. A, D, F sharp, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's on count 4. A, D, A. Then B, D, G, B. Left hand on a G. It's a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4 on that, I think. I'll have to see. I'll peek in lesson 2 on the website. So now we're going to play the whole thing. Well, the whole thing, what we learned in this free part 1, which is quite extensive, a lot more than I usually give. Okay, so let's do the whole 3 lines. And you got to count. If you don't count, you will rush. We all do as humans. We rush unless we have something to ground us in the counting. Either the singing will ground you. If you can sing along with this, even if your voice isn't great. You know, half the pop rock singers, their voices aren't great. You know, they're really not. They're average, most of them. I really think so. So, and I'm average, you're average, so let's just sing anyway. Who cares? But singing will ground you in the rhythm. And if you just can't sing or you won't sing, okay, you got to count or imagine the lyrics or you're going to rush, okay? So let's play it. Very beginning. We're in the concert, so we go, dun. Kind of hanging out. When the drums are ready to start, the drums go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Synthesizer, octaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Synthesizer. 1, 2, 3. And the singing. Na, 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 na. a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that free part 1. I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll finish this thing together, download the sheets, and it'll be a lot of fun. Talk to you later.